Dear students and parents, I am Maria Ishtiaq. I am your teacher of maths of class 6. Dear students, I hope you all are well with your family at your homes. Students, all of you know that the present pandemic of COVID-19. So because of this, I have started the lecture of your subject of maths. You may please open your math books and get ready for it. Today's our chapter is 1. The topic is sets. First of all, we will know about that what is a set. A set is a number of things of persons that belong together or are usually found together. But in mathematics, a set means a well-defined collection of objects. Now here question arises that what is the meaning of well-defined? Well-defined means that there should be no uncertainty about which object belong to the set and which does not. Now we will study the examples of the set. First example we have is the set of all letters of English alphabets and the set of all even numbers. These both are the well defined. So these are considered as a set, but all well known artists in Lahore and all good batsmen in Australia are not well defined. So these are not considered as sets. Next we have is set notations. In set notation, we will study the elements of a set. What are the elements of a set? The members, entries or objects of a set are known as the elements which are placed within curly brackets. Every set is a collection of elements of that set. Now we will study the reinforcements of the sets. Sets are denoted using curly braces or brackets. The name of a set is written in capital letters. Every element in a set is separated by a comma. If the element of a set are alphabets, then these elements are written in small letters. If one or more of the elements of a set are repeated, the element is mentioned only once in the set. Now we will came to the exercise 1A. We have question number 1. The question number 1 is, do the following statements represent sets? If yes, then write in set notation. A part we have is two most beautiful flowers. As we know that everyone has its own choice. We cannot say that a specific flower will be beautiful for everyone or not. So it is not a well defined collection. So it is not a set. We will write it as no. Part B. Part B is the first 4 days of the week. As the first 4 days of a week is a well defined collection, so it is a set. We write it as yes. Now we will write set in the set notation form. We know that the name of the set is always written in capital letters. I am going to write the name of it as B is equals to. The set is always taught with the braces. Now I will write the names of the days. Monday, comma, Tuesday, comma, Wednesday, comma, Thursday. Now I will close the braces. All these questions of this exercise will be solved in the same manners. Thanks all of you students. You may keep praying from Allah to keep us safe. And all of the people of world from the present pandemic of COVID-19. Subjecting and objective notes has been provided, so should write these notes on your notebook.